Good afternoon from Dollywood Splash Country. It's Ryan.
And Micah.
And today we're going inside for the first time this season. We love this water park. We're gonna grab some lunch together, show you some new things in Dollywood Splash Country as we just highlight some of the off-season changes and just come along with us for a fun day in the water park. Are you ready, Micah?
Yes.
So without further ado, let the adventure begin. First thing I want to point out is they have put in a permanent fixture here when you go through security. And just a reminder, they're only checking your bag if you have something that goes off in the metal detector. And just want to go over the current pricing for Splash Country tickets. You're welcome to pause the video to see the breakdown. Here's a look at the cost for a season pass that you could convert your existing Dollywood season pass and add on Splash Country. We'll also be covering how you can add on their dining pass. We've done a video on how this works. The price has gone up this year to $65, but we'll be doing some other videos showcasing all the food that you can get here. As we head into the ticket area, they have the same QR scan system that they've added to Dollywood. So I'm going to turn off the camera and Mike and I are going to pull up my Apple Wallet and scan in. We are officially inside. I am so excited for the new season here at Dollywood Splash Country. This is such a relaxing water park. Excited to go inside and check out some of the new food and things to do here. Hey Micah, I know we've already said this, but I'm going to say it one more time. Let the adventure begin. As we first head in, they have Time Saver H2O passes you can get to the right, as well as a retreat and canopy. The crowds are not too bad today, so I don't think we're going to need a Time Saver H2O pass. If you're coming in on a Saturday or a holiday, it can be very handy, but it is a Sunday, still in May, where kids are still in school tomorrow, so not very busy today. So you can't really see the screen right now, but it says 0 across the board on every single slide right now. They've got this new Panini Hotspot food truck over here to the right, which you would order over here at the new Creekside concessions. I did just confirm you can't use the dining pass on the food truck, but here's a look at what they're serving and the pricing. This is always one of our favorite places to go to get some food. I do like that they added churros that you can get as a snack with the dining plan now. And they added a Dippin' Dots area over here. So this will be one of our go-to places throughout the summer. So again, they changed the name to Fresh Squeeze Lemonade. It's not on the menu at the moment, but they do make it. It comes in at about $10 right over here if you want to get some fresh squeezed lemonade on a hot day. They still have the Splash and Dash hot donuts over here on the corner that they added last season. It looks like they added a little store over here to the left across from the wave pool. Beaver Tails is no longer in existence. It's now called Ned's Bear Paws, where you can get some legendary fried dough. They've always had sweet treats that you can get. They come in at $11.99 with a variety of different toppings you can choose from. They've added now these flatbreads that you can get, a chicken bacon ranch, buffalo chicken, and a barbecue pulled pork. So you can get that as an entree if you'd like. So we'll have to come back and perhaps try these out and figure out which one of these three we like the best. This is another building that they've also rebranded this off-season to become Mountain Waves Creamery. Here's a look at the different types of ice cream, soft serve, and sundaes they're serving. We'll have to try out the toffee turtle churn and the strawberry cheesecake churn. That one looks good, Micah. And they used to have a food truck over here to the left, and they've now moved that over here, which looks like it's a lot of the same things from last season. All right, Micah said, Dad, I'm gonna go feel the water. It's the one thing about May is it can be a little bit chilly. Well, how is it?
It's a little chilly.
Chilly? A little bit? I will say if it's a little bit chilly, we might be in trouble because this is typically the warmest water, but let's work our way back to Cascades and see how that feels. We had to come over and check out if there was anything new at Dogs and Taters. It looks like they've added fried pickle chips. We're gonna have to come back and try those out. And they have the Bustin' concessions back over here in the same place again. And here's a look at their current menu and pricing. I really didn't intend this video to turn into like a food overview, but we're just so excited to be here and check out what all our food options are as we'll come up here just to swim for a while and grab lunch. So Mike and I are gonna get some food in a little bit. We'll show you what we end up deciding to try out for the first time, but we are gonna head back here to Cascades and try to do a little swimming, maybe. See how cold it is. So back here at the Cascades concessions, I don't see much has changed on the menu here, but sad news, the Coke Freestyle machine is no more. This was the one in the park, and we'd go here to get like AHA, different carbonated non-sugared beverages. So I know Brie's gonna be pretty sad, but good news is there's practically no one here, Micah. I think it's time for us to try out the water here to see how cold it is. See if we can go swim around a little bit here in the very relaxing Cascades. All right, the moment of truth has come. How cold is Cascades? All right, here we go. Micah, oh, it is cold. Oh, oh, it does warm up in June, but in May it's really cold. Oh, oh, wow. Oh, that is freezing. Feels both terrific and terrifying at the same time. I think I just gotta go for it, Micah. You going for it? All right, here I go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that is so cold. I'm gonna set the camera down and I'm gonna beat Mike in a couple races and we're just gonna swim around and warm up. It feels nice. It's cold, but it feels good. So we just finished up having some fun over at the Cascades. I will say we ran into this restroom right here, which is completely remodeled, but Micah has worked up an appetite. We both have, and he's thinking we should go try those pickled chips right over here at Dogs and Taters. Sound good? Yeah. Let's go. I also just want to give you a heads up for anybody with the dining plan. You cannot use it here at Bustin' concessions, but if you are a gold pass holder, you can get 15% off, or diamond pass holders can get 20% off any of the food items here. So here's a look at our fried pickles we got that comes with a Chipotle ranch. These are $8.99, or again, you can use it as a snack if you have the dining plan. Don't worry, I'll put a link to the dining plan if you have no idea what I'm talking about. So we just finished up those fried pickles. They were fantastic. That might be one of our favorite snacks that we're gonna be able to enjoy throughout the summer. I will say when it comes to water temperatures, Cascades was a bit chilly. This should be warmer, but listen, if I can do it, I mean, I've only lived here in Tennessee for 6 years. Otherwise, I've been a Floridian my whole life. So if I can do it, you can do it. It's turned out to be a beautiful day in Pigeon Forge. If you guys are enjoying this video, and if you haven't yet, simply drop a like down below on the video. We're gonna head down here to the wave pool and swim around for a little bit, and we'll let you know how warm the wave pool is, which should be warmer than Cascades. Micah, which one's colder, here or Cascades?
Cascades.
He thinks Cascades is a little colder. I would have to agree. I think we're good for the rest of the season. I think it's warm. Oh yeah, the deeper I go, the warmer it's getting. You're good. This is not too cold. You're good to go. So we had some fun at the wave pool. I will say one of the big differences between Splash Country and Smoky Mountain is this is a much more calm wave pool, which some people might really enjoy about this wave pool, whereas Smoky is a little more intense. We're just wanting to go for a walk back here. Micah said he's not up for going on any slides today, but just wanted to see if we noticed anything different back here. This is one of our family favorites tucked back here, the Slick Rock Racer. So that was a lot of fun, and not much has changed back here in this side of the water park. As we go past the butterfly slides, I did notice they added some more misters along the way. Next stop is the Lazy River, which is much colder than the wave pool. It is chilly. No, Micah. No, that is very cold water. Stay on the right, that way. No, stay that way. Who's been teaching you directions in homeschool? No. We got to go over that lesson again. No. Oh. Okay, we're good. That's good. That's close enough. Micah, that's too close. No, that's too close. No, oh, that's too close. Too close. That way. No, that way. No, that way. Micah, come on. Oh, Micah, come on, Micah. No, random stranger kid. No, we're not going in. No, don't listen. I don't know who this kid is, but don't listen to him. Don't talk to strangers. All right, now that some of us had fun at the Lazy River, we're gonna go get our favorite meal here at Splash Country, which is the Big Bear Nachos for $14.99. So here's a look at our Big Bear Nachos. We really enjoyed getting these last season for lunch. You can't have any. They're nachos. Micah, cheers to our first time into Splash Country this season. It's still good? So we're tapping out on the Big Bear Nachos that we just shared, but we don't plan to share an ice cream from Mountain Waves Creamery. We're each gonna get something and see what we like better. So I got one with strawberries and cheesecake with soft serve. They only do soft serve here at this location now. So the fact that they only do soft serve machines back here should actually help expedite the process of getting ice cream. So even though the name has changed, you can still get kind of the strawberries and cream they used to serve, or Micah wanted one with cookies and cream. So let's try both of these out and figure out which one we like better. If you want to take the top off to get to in and out of it a little easier, you can. There we go, much better. This one has strawberries and some cheesecake, which I know you really like cheesecake. So which one do you like better? The strawberry cheesecake is the one to get. How about you have that one and I'll finish off this cookies and cream. So we finished up our Mountain Creamery ice cream, and I grabbed a chicken Caesar salad to go with my other dining plan scan since we shared the Big Bear Nachos. So we're working our way back up front to head to our car. But before we head out, I did want to point out they have these new Splash Country shirts with this really cute otter here in the middle. I kind of like that blue one, that's pretty. In addition to new Splash Country t-shirts, they actually have some Dolly Parton t-shirts, which they don't normally have in here. This one says Dolly for President. As we head out of Dollywood Splash Country, I did want to point out that the Big River Pavilion over here by the Tailspin Racer at the Big River Pavilion is where Bustin' Concessions, which was that white food truck we saw earlier, will be making fresh barbecue here every day starting sometime in June. And here's a look at the menu that they'll be working on over here. But that wraps up our time here at Splash Country. Micah is tired, I am tired, and it's a good tired. We had a great day. Hope you guys have enjoyed going into Dollywood Splash Country with us to check out some things that are new. If you are new here, make sure you are subscribed. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next adventure.